I can't live like this.
Okay. All right. Gotta move back a little bit. Hang on. It sounds very low on these. Oh, a little dog. I can't breathe in this fucking mask. Come on. All right, we got some pot closure. I'm gonna swipe this first one. I'll let you pick the next one. Oh God, the mini was $41. Wow, it was a lot higher than the minor. Okay, moving on. We're up $9. We should just leave. Hi, Bobby. Come on. Oh, I hate when it does that. Oh, again, you bastard. Come on. I'll even take a regular bonus. Okay, here's the rules. If we do get a regular bonus, we're picking mystery. If we get gold drum, we're picking 10 spins 5x5. I'd prefer to get a gold drum bonus. I would love to get on a fire line, but that's not happening either. Come on. What is it with this one drum? I need 3 of them. Boop, boop, boop. Boop. Okay, well, you missed. Oh, what are you doing there? Oh, she closed. All right, guys, throw out some numbers. Okay, 4 for DP. 7 for Marin. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 for 65 for Sarah. 2 for Linlee. 1 for Jesus. 3 for Heather. We got 4, 3, 5 for Nora. 6 for Debbie. We did it. 8 for Sabrina, and we got the mini. But it's a gold mini. You guys could have said 1 through 8. It would have made my life easier. Come on. Doggies? All right, you better do something. We're halfway through our budget on this machine. Come on. Why does it always do that with the last reel? Come on, we got it. All right, we got a regular bonus, but we're going mystery because it's not a gold drum. Here we go. Come on, 6x5 or 5x5. Oh God, we got fucked. 3x5, 15. And we got the ultimate downgrade. Very good. Very good. Retrigger? Okay, we retriggered. You gotta retrigger like 4 more times to give me 15 is what I'm supposed to get on this reel set. Okay, there's another one. You're working there. We're at 9 now. We need to be at 15. Oh, you missed the opportunity there. You gotta pay me something too, by the way. And nothing. All right, $85. That was absolutely terrible. But you know what? It keeps us in the game. But like I said, these ones here at this casino, they're not that great. All right, we're gonna swipe this one. Oh God. Oh, have you ever burped in your mask? It smells like onions. Onions and fucking vinegar. Ship. All right, we got $96. This guy. Why does he have to come like over here?
Yeah, there's a lot in there, bro. I just put 40 and I don't know.
You put a lot in there. $40 is a lot in there. It's Dancing Drums Explosion. Everyone knows you have to put hundreds in it. All right, she's playing okay, actually. She's playing all right. We just need her to give us a correct bonus. Okay, fifth reel fucked again. Come on, you remember me. This is actually, I've hand paid on this one. I got the major on this one, and then right after I got a hand pay on it. So you remember me. Oh, that's good, $72. She's playing okay. Let's do $10 till $1,200. See if in these 12 spins if she's got something for us. Oh, you fucker. Oh, stop doing that. 3 of them. Boop, boop, boop. Remember? I told you. Oh, shippies. Nothing there. Oh, dogs. She wants to do it. She wants to do it. I know she does. You dirty bastard. No, you're not dirty. You're a good girl. Come on. Dogs. All right. One more for good breath. Okay, back down. Sometimes I do notice though when you're at 10 and then you go down to 588, it's like you tricked it and it gives you a bonus. I played trickery on it. Coins, all right. Green. Come on. Yes, we got it. All right, we're picking 10. And then we gotta move because some guy just like looked at me weird. All right, here we go. Come on, doggies for days. Doggy my ass. All over this fucking screen. All right, that's $72 on cups. Oh, that's nothing. Re-triggers are welcome. There's the dogs on 3, 4, and 5. Ship. All right, a little ship. Re-trigger. Dogs. Oh, there they were. We missed 4th reel. Re-trigger. We got to re-trigger. Ship. Nothing. Come on, dogs. There you are. But where were the rest of you? I'll take a re-trigger, though. Cups. Oh, there was a lot of cups there. Nothing. Come on. Are we gonna re-trigger? No. coins. Oh, dogs. Dogs. Oh. 3 spins left. Aces. Garbage. Cups, cups, cups. You fucked me on the 3rd and 4th, you bastard. Dogs, dogs. No, that was the last spin. All right, 210. Oh.
Die, cold, these boys my guys. Know that we fly, know that they ride or die. I keep well on my side. CJ Ike, now I gotta ride or die.